Welcome to Organization for the New Year Adult Nonfiction Book Talk. My name is Julie and I'm a librarian here at the Elyria Public Library System. One of my New Year's resolutions is to always be more organized, and I love HGTV. Today's book talk highlights specific and popular home organizing trends. Some of these books have even been turned into TV shows. The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, The Japanese Art of Decluttering and Organizing by Marie Kondo was first published in 2014 and has gone on to sell over 9 million copies. The focus is on organizing by category instead of by room. She asks you to keep only what sparks joy. It reflects her minimalistic style. The Home Edit, A Guide to Organizing and Realizing Your House Goals, published March 2019, and The Home Edit Life, published September 2020 by Clea Shearer and Joanna Teplin, focus on a 4-step system. You can edit your belongings, but you can keep whatever you want that you need for your life. Then you categorize them, contain them, and then maintain the systems. They love fun labels and organizing things in rainbow color. The first book is focused on larger areas like your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom, and the second is more detailed like traveling, sports equipment, and pets. They also have a show, Get Organized with the Home Edit, on Netflix. The Clutter Connection, How Your Personality Type Determines Why You Organize the Way You Do by Cassandra Aarssen. Messiness is a myth. Cassandra breaks people into 4 types of clutter bugs. You could be a butterfly, a ladybug, a cricket, or a bee, depending on your personality type. The book goes on to talk about the strengths and then how to live or work with a bug of that type. The author is the host of HGTV's Hot Mess House. Lisa Woodruff, the founder of Organize 365 and a popular podcaster, has written The Paper Solution, What to Shred, What to Save, and How to Stop It from Taking Over Your Life. Published in August of 2020, it talks about the problem of paper like late bills and missed invitations, how to purge, and the author's Sunday basket method of dealing with paper on a weekly basis. Part 3 helps you ditch the filing cabinet and make binders based on your needs, like financial, medical, or educational. And Part 4 talks about maintaining the systems and how to incorporate digital solutions. In Case You Get Hit by a Bus, How to Organize Your Life Now for When You're Not Around Later by Abby Schneiderman and Adam Seifer with Gene Newman is full of checklists and humor to help you plan for the end of your life. Who will take care of your dog? Do you still want to be on Facebook after you're gone? Breaking things down into manageable tasks, Level 1 focuses on things from online passwords to how to access your home. Level 2 helps you with wills, healthcare, and a digital estate plan. And Level 3 helps you organize your memories, letters to loved ones, and even write your own obituary. Martha Stewart's Organizing, the Manual for Bringing Order to Your Life, Home, and Routines, published in January of 2020. One part has monthly schedules to help organize your year. Part 2 helps you organize each area of your home, and Part 3 helps you organize the supplies, strategies, and schedules for everyday routines. Thank you for joining me for Organization for the New Year Book Talk. See the video description below to place holds on any of the books mentioned in the video. Remember to come back for more virtual presentations on the Elyria Public Library YouTube channel.